Hey guys, I would like to take a couple minutes and show you a cool tool within Moodle to let you create a portfolio that includes all the work that you've done this amazing year. So real quick, start out with a Google Doc. I titled it creatively Portfolio. Okay, then type in the names of the courses you're taking, like others. I'm creating this as if I was Samuel. So ships, psychology, let's see, English. Okay, I'll just name a couple just as a demo, highlight those, and put them in heading 1 case. This is important for something for organizing it later. Then skip down, go up here, go back to normal, and insert, let's see, table of contents right down here. This will be important later. You'll find out why. And then I'm also going to go over here and insert a header that says turn to the top. And here's why. Click on this. Let's see, yeah, copy the link, and then go up to your header, highlight it, insert the link, and apply. Okay, now this is your basic format. You can change the fonts and everything later on, but now you have the basic structure for this document that will soon turn pretty huge. But it'll be a way of keeping all the work that you've done this whole year in one place. So go back up. Now I'm going to open up the tab, and I'm logged into Moodle as if I were Samuel. So when you log into Moodle, go up here where it says your profile, and click on your profile picture, and you'll come to something that looks like this. Okay, you won't see this exactly, but something like this. Don't worry, Samuel, I'm not going to show your grades or anything. So come over, so you have your list of courses here. Click on the name of one of the courses. Scroll down and click on Complete Report. And what you'll see here is everything that you've done in the whole course will appear. So you just highlight it all. You'll see all of your forum discussions for the entire course. Go all the way down to the bottom. Just for the sake of time, I'll stop here. Control-C copies it all. Jump back over to your portfolio. Click here. Type Control-V or paste. And this worked when I tried it a second ago. Let's try this again. Okay, I'll try it this time to right click, copy over here. Ah, there it goes. Just took a minute. So it can't copy all the images, so just dismiss that. And you'll see so it'll take a while. You just have to dismiss the images. But what you'll end up with is all the stuff that you've written in the entire course, all in one place. And the cool thing is, this will take a while to run through this, but even if you put in a link to a document or a link to a video, the links will all work when you copy this over. So if you do this with all your courses that you're taking at the end of the year, you'll have a complete record of everything you've done, so that you won't lose those notes later on when you have to create a portfolio for something. So that's my little tip on how to save all your work this year. And then to make just for extra fun, when you're done, you can do a word count and just impress yourself with how much writing and how much work you've done this year. And it's a great way to impress your grandparents. So thanks for watching this, and hope it helps.